Hey there, Dale and Liz. Happy 30th Puppet Festival. Yancy, can you believe the Denver Puppet Festival is 30 years old?
I cannot believe it.
How old are you? How are you?
I will be 30 years old this summer, so kudos to 1980.
1980.
And 30 years.
Puppet Festival, Yancy, two great ideas at the same time.
Yes.
Dale and Liz, man, I cannot believe you've been doing puppet festivals that long. And, you know, it was very shortly after they started the Denver Festival that I met them.
That's
In fact,
right.
You were just about three years old. So about 3 years after, 27 years, I've been knowing you guys. And congratulations. You are wonderful, wonderful folks. I love you with all my heart. You're wonderful friends. And I just think about all the thousands of people whose lives you've touched and made a difference. And I tell you what, 30 years of the Puppet Festival. And honor, Yancy's rocking a Puppet Tracks t-shirt.
That's right.
Vintage Puppet Tracks t-shirt. That's right.
And I just want to say thank you to Uncle Dale, as I call him, for giving me opportunities to sing when I was a little girl. I sang at many a puppet festival, and I appreciate those opportunities and all the stuff that you taught me about putting resources in the hands of ministries. And we just wish you a very, very happy 30th birthday.
We do. We love you. God bless you. Thanks.